Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Speak, the place where we learn English and life lessons together. Today's topic is something that can truly change your life, the power of discipline. Yes, success doesn't start with motivation, it starts with discipline. Tell me honestly, how many times have you made a plan to wake up early, to study daily, to eat healthy, but after 2 or 3 days, everything disappears? We all have been there, right? That's where discipline comes in. Discipline is what keeps you going even when you don't feel like it. Let's understand it simply. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. Motivation says, I'll do it when I feel good. Discipline says, I'll do it whether I feel good or not. That's the difference between dreamers and achievers. Think about a student who wants to speak fluent English. If he waits for motivation every day, he will never improve. But if he practices speaking 15 minutes daily, even when he feels lazy, in 1 month he will see a big change. That's the power of small disciplined actions. Or take an example of a bodybuilder. He doesn't go to the gym only when he feels excited. He goes every day because he has made it his routine. Success is hidden inside consistency. Discipline is not punishment, it's self-respect. When you stay disciplined, you are telling yourself, I'm serious about my life. You stop being controlled by mood and start being controlled by purpose. And the truth is, your life won't change in one big moment. It will change slowly, every single day, by doing small disciplined actions. So, if you really want to become successful, wake up and do what you planned, not what you feel. Make a small routine, even 30 minutes of focus every day matters. Stop waiting for the right mood. Start doing in any mood. Because discipline builds character, and character builds destiny. Remember this line, discipline is the bridge between dreams and success. So, from today, promise yourself, no more excuses, no more delays. Just one rule, do it anyway. If this video inspired you, tell me in the comments. What's one habit you will start doing with discipline from today? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Speak, where we learn not just English, but the language of life.